Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, let me put some lip gloss. This girl looking busted right now. Anyway, so we are getting ready. Me, but you guys are tagging along. Better. Oh, the lighting here is so much better. Today's video, we're gonna go and browse around the stores, but not just that, we're getting ready for spring. Spring is literally around the corner. I love doing these type of videos. I like getting ready for either a season, a holiday, and just get more festive and exciting every time it comes around. Now, I do want to go to Home Depot because also I need to bring down my Valentine's Day decor. I'll probably do that this weekend, but today we're gonna go to Home Depot and we're gonna go browse around and look at the flowers, look at the plants, the herbs, because this year we're gonna do a garden. Yes! I know every year I've been saying that I'm gonna show more vlogs of me doing gardening. Well, this is a year, you know. I'm not gonna procrastinate. I know I procrastinate a lot, but we're gonna keep it spontaneous. And today we are gonna do more gardening. I'm gonna be just showing more of life vlogs. It's just easier, it's better, it just makes me feel more real, you know. I do love doing the store vlogs, don't get me wrong, because I love to see what's new, but we're gonna keep it spontaneous today. So first thing on the list is just going to Home Depot to see what they have for garden stuff. After that, maybe Five Below, maybe HOMEGOODS. I don't know, we'll see where the day takes us. But right now, we're gonna go make a green smoothie, a green juice actually, because I need a drinkity drink, okay? So let's get that started. Not the best, but you need to drink green juice. You need to take your ginger shots. You need to eat more fruits and veggies. Come on, get it together. It would have been good if it had pineapple, to be honest. I mean, it's not bad, but I don't mind it. Look how gorgeous these flowers are. Okay, I just made it to Home Depot. I'm just so excited to see all these beautiful flowers. They make me so happy. Now, I just thought about it. I should have gone to the stores and then afterwards come over here, because then my plants are gonna die in the car with this heat. I do live in California, so you know it gets hot here. But look how gorgeous all these flowers. Question, have you guys ever grown blueberries? I would love to know, because I love blueberries. They also have raspberries. They have gooseberry. I think it's so cute. I love being here. I don't know what it is. I think the sun is just making me happy. So my garden is horrible. It's so bad. I haven't had a garden in like 2 years. We still have it, but it's like we don't have enough stuff. We only have mostly herbs, but I want to get more herbs. We have rosemary, mint, and I think we have lavender, and I want to say basil. Honestly, I haven't even been to the backyard in forever, so I feel so bad. But I'm gonna step up my game this year. So I'm just browsing around. Like I said, I should have just gone here last, but I think it's better if I just go home and see what I could do to spruce up my place. And we're just getting ready for spring, so it's good to even come here and browse around and see what's in stores. Oh my goodness, if you feel like you need a boost of serotonin, a little bit of dopamine, come to Home Depot, walk around the flowers, the garden stuff. It really does help you mentally. I don't know what it is, just makes you very happy. Okay, I'm walking into HOMEGOODS and they have lots of garden planter stuff for spring and summer. I did vlog here not so long ago, but I did mostly Easter decor, but I wanted to share some of the spring stuff they have. But look at this beautiful from the farmhouse Rachel Ashball, this little swan with the lavender. This one's $49.99, but it's so precious. I think these are cute too. Okay, see, this is $12.99. So cute. This is a little kit for your herbs. What do you guys think of this? I love the dark green. Okay, these are the stools that are viral. Look at the sardine ones. I think some girl was trying to find this on TikTok. And look at the watermelon one. That one's so cute. I do love the strawberry, but the lime one is the cutest, or the slices of oranges. Look at this wall of wreaths. I've never seen anything like this at HOMEGOODS. So pretty. Okay, I spotted this candle. It is the cutest thing. I love the house. I'm obsessed with this candle. It's $14.99 and it smells like tulips, and they have different ones. So they have these with the glasses, but look at this croissant one, and it smells so good. So I just smell this right now. This one's $12.99. I do want a croissant and I do want a candle. They also have another of these houses one, and this one is, let's see this scent. This one's a lily, and look, they have a lavender one. This kind of gives Rapunzel vibes, and they just have a lot and bunch of variety on candles. Look at all these dishes. Okay, I ended up looking at the Easter stuff. They added more stuff, which is so exciting. These plates are nice for any type of holiday or seasons. I love those. Ooh, look at these little wine glasses right here though. $5.99. Okay, relax, lady, relax. Okay, you guys have seen me clean this little section right here last year, but we're gonna have to do that again in another video. I want to clean everything. I want to spruce up the garden. I'm gonna give you a little tour of the stuff that we have, and it is a little bit on the horrible side, but we could do it. We could do it. But look at that plant that I've had last year. I don't know if you remember. But it's growing so cute, and I have a random broom here. Everything's all dusty. Okay, so I want to do a cleaning video with gardening, so that will probably be another one. We are gonna have rain this weekend. As you can see, we are cloudy today compared to yesterday, which was so sunny, and today is cloudy. I don't mind though. I love gloomy weather. Okay, so we also have this table here that we've had for years, and I think we're gonna give it a nice new fresh paint job. I don't know if I should do a white coat or just another color. And then I love these chairs. I've had them for quite some time. I have 3 of them. I have to get the cushions out. So let's browse around and see what I have here. Kiwi destroyed, and that one she destroyed. I still have my flamingos there from last year, which is so cute. I think that's my lavender plant. We have lots of lemons, which I can't wait. They're still small. Let's see, we have oranges. We're trying to grow an avocado back here, but I don't think it's happening. And then if you guys don't know, we also have another orange one right here, or lime one. And then we have all this cactus nopales, which I'm obsessed with nopales. I can't wait to eat that. Oh my goodness, Kiwi, you did not go back there. Another orange tree right here. And then we have our grill here. We have the grill there. We love to grill as much as we can. And let's see, we also have this tree right here, and this one is a plum one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It usually harvests around, I want to say May or June. Let's see what else. Okay, now to show you the scary garden. This also needs a paint job, so we'll probably do that this year. Okay, let's walk in here. It is horrible, like I said. There's no way to go around it. We do have lots of plants that I have to see what is what, if I should replant stuff or not. I do have my aloe vera there. That for sure, it's like the easy thing to grow. And then I have green onions back there, but I'm probably gonna get all that green onion and then add new soil, new dirt. That compost is actually pretty good, so we're gonna use that. And I think I'm gonna add either cilantro, my zucchinis. Have to clean all that, so you guys are gonna see a big progress. You see all this? It's gonna be different later on, trust me. I have my rosemary here. You guys seen me grab my rosemary. Let's see, another of these beautiful plants. Just a lot of stuff, a lot of buckets. And then I had these, my tomatoes. I'm gonna do tomatoes again this year because we eat lots of veggies here. We love it, and I just love being outdoors. I really do. So you guys are just gonna tag along with this ride, huh, Kiwi? You just wanna play. You're so silly. Let's go. You see, I even forgot to mention I have like the tomato wires, the little garden wires right here. I don't know what they're called. I'm so bad at that. But just imagine this. It's gonna look pretty. I don't even know if I have like an old video of me showing you guys once. I'm trying to recall. We have plants everywhere, but we're gonna try to organize and be better this year. We have Bella, Lady, Kiwi. This was my basil, so I'm gonna try to see if I could replant this and give it life. That's it, guys. That's it with our garden and backyard.